A happy mind lives a healthy life. Hi, I'm Sheetal, and today I'm going to perform asanas and meditations which will increase your happiness. The first pose I will be performing is called Virabhadrasana or the warrior pose. I'm standing straight and breathing in, and as I'm breathing out, I'm spreading my legs about 3 feet apart. Next, I'm raising my arms up until they are perpendicular to the floor. With an inhale, I'm turning my left foot 45 degrees to the right and my right foot 90 degrees to the right while aligning the heels of both feet. With an exhale, I'm rotating my torso to the right. I'm inhaling as I'm stretching my torso backwards slightly. Next, with an exhale, I'm bending my right knee over the right ankle while keeping the shin and my back perpendicular to the floor. I'm stretching out my arms, reaching upwards and joining my palms while keeping my head neutral or towards my thumb. I'm holding this pose for 30 seconds. I'm inhaling and slowly straightening my knees. Now, I'm returning both feet forward and releasing the arms while exhaling. Now, I will repeat the same pose on the left side. The second pose that I will be performing is called Virabhadrasana 2 or the warrior pose 2. I am beginning by standing with my feet 3 to 3.5 feet apart and my arms stretched straight out from my shoulders. Both my arms are parallel to the floor. I'm turning my right foot and knee to face the front of the mat. I'm angling my left toe slightly toward the upper left corner of the mat. Next, I'm bending my right knee and stacking it over my right ankle. I'm making sure to distribute my weight evenly between both legs. I am pressing down through the outer edge of my back foot. Now, I'm keeping the crown of my head stacked over my pelvis and shoulders over my hips. I'm reaching strongly through both arms towards the front and back of the mat and turning my head to look past my right fingertips. I'm holding this pose for 5 to 10 breaths. To come out of the pose, I'm exhaling as I'm pressing down through my feet. Then, I'm inhaling and straightening my legs. I'm returning my feet to parallel, facing the left long side of the mat. I'm repeating the same exercise on the other side. The third pose I'm performing is known as the goddess pose. I am beginning this pose in a standing position and keeping my feet 3 feet apart. I am turning my feet out 45 degrees. As I am exhaling, I am bending my knees over the toes, squatting down. I am joining my hands in a namaste position. I'm looking straight ahead with my chin parallel to the floor. I'm breathing and holding the pose for 3 to 6 breaths. To release, I'm inhaling and straightening my legs, then exhaling and bringing my arms to the sides and coming back to the initial position. Let's end our session with a small meditation. I'm sitting in a cross-legged position with my spine straight and facial muscle relaxed. I'm turning my palms upwards, the backwards of my palm touching my thighs. I'm resting my right palm on my chest and left on my belly button. I'm gently closing my eyes and beginning to focus on my breath. Now that your worries are set aside, gently recall a happy memory. Feel the happiness of this moment. Your lips spreading into a smile and chest feeling light. Let these happy emotions flow through your body. Stay in this position as long as you are comfortable. Yoga enhances eternal happiness and spreads positivity. On this happy note, this is Sheetal taking your leave. Until we meet next, keep growing, keep glowing.